want pie a la mode tonight for dessert, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I want to cook that Dutch apple we got.
Okay. Get out the apple pie.
You're going to show me how to do it, right?
I'm going to show you how to do
In
it.
that convection microwave oven?
I'm going to show you how to do it.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Marie Callender's.
Or there are no directions for convection microwave oven.
I'm assuming I take this plastic off.
Yeah. Of course you do. There's two ways to do this. You can either preset it with the preset buttons, or you can do it manually. Manually, it says for a regular conventional oven, you use 400 degrees. And convection oven, you want to go down 25 degrees, so you're going to do it at 375. It says to bake for 50 to 55 minutes. We're going to do the preset to check it out this time. Next time we'll do it on manual. And I'll show you how to do both. We'll start with manual. You're going to go with bake.
Convection bake.
And then you're going to select. So this time I'm going to show you how to do it manually. And what we're going to do is we're going to select manual convection bake. And you select, you press your temperature. So we're going to go with 375 since it said 400.
Right, 375.
375. And then you press select. You open up the door and you start. And what this does is it preheats your convection microwave to 375.
Right.
When it's done preheating, it'll beep.
It's got all these little dots here. And it's already on the third one.
It takes about, honestly, it takes about 5 minutes to preheat the convection microwave. And once it's done, it cooks like a regular oven.
Okay, so I guess we got 5 minutes, huh?
We do.
Alright. Want to make out? You're going to show me the preset way?
I'm going to show you how to pre-select for a pie. Alright, so we're going to do,
Convection bake.
and then we're going to hit the back button and it'll take you to different options.
Frozen dessert.
So we want dessert. We select.
Oh, look at that, all the different things. You got angel food cake there.
Yep, brownies, cooking,
fresh
fresh
pie,
pie, frozen pie. Select.
9-inch.
This is a 9-inch pie, so we're going to select 9-inch pie. Okay, so what we want to do,
We got
it says put the convection rack in the oven, but what we're going to do is we're going to leave and let this
heat.
preheat. Then we're going to take the rack and put it in this way.
Hey, but you got to open the door and shut it, right?
No, you got to press select. Oh, start. So now it's preheating, and it takes about manual, when you put in the manual temperature.
Takes 15 minutes to preheat.
No, it takes about 5 minutes to preheat. So once that's preheated, we're going to take and just take the pie from here instead of taking the pie from here.
She's teaching me how to cook, so I do all the cooking. Now what?
I'm just waiting for the thing to ding. Come on, ding already.
Oh, it's ready. It's beeping. And the
All
fan
right.
came on.
All right, that means it's preheated. So what we're going to do is you're going to put it in the oven. Just like
Oh,
that.
good God.
Come on, I know you can do it.
Oh, an hour and 10 minutes, huh? Okay.
Now remember, the inside of this oven is going to be hot. It will be 375.
I'm going to shut it.
Okay, now
Hit
just
start.
push start.
All right.
All right, so,
Hour and 10 minutes.
and that compensates for the temperature. We're going from 400 to 375. This is what you want to do when you have a microwave convection oven.
It's done.
All right, so there you go.
Ooh, I got mittens. I got a mitten and a pad. Now I'm going to pick this whole thing up. I'm not going to grab the pie.
No, you're just going to grab it from the rack, and you're going to put the rack on here. Oh, that looks so good too.
I know it. Okay, that part's done. Now we got to put some topping on. Ooh, big old chunk. Break it up. Break it up. Not a fight. I licked my finger. Hey.
I don't think you broke it up.
I did. It's not supposed to be dust. I don't think. Okay. Throw it on there.
Holy snikey.
It's a lot of topping, huh?
Yeah, I think that's a little much.
No. No, that's gonna be good. Mm-hmm.
Here, use your fork.
I think it looks pretty good.
I think you're doing a fine job.
I'm doing okay?
You are.
Okay, we need to turn that back on.
Okay, so we know it's going to be 10 minutes and it's going to be at 375. So
It's
we're going to
already
do
preheated.
manual. Right, we're going to do manual. Bake. Manual, select. 375. Select. Let's put it in there.
My hand protectors. Alright.
Shut it and start it.
10 minutes are up. I turned it off. You didn't even have to tell me to do it. Oh, look at that. Marvelous. You need to put the pads down. Holy smokes, look at that. I did this.
Okay.
Alrighty, let that cool for a little bit and then we'll have some pie and a la mode.
You did a good job.
Thank you, honey. Thank you for your help. Alright, we get pie and ice cream.
Last night we baked pie in the microwave convection oven, and this is how it turned out. Okay, so since Davey has to work early in the morning, we let it cool. Tonight we're gonna have it. So let's go.
Alrighty.
See how good it is.
Cut.
Ah! Looks good. Still looks delicious.
Right here?
Anywhere.
That's a piece of pie. You want to microwave it, heat it up?
I don't. You might want to microwave it. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's pretty good, honey.
Look at, I got a pie. We're gonna have some double fudge takedown ice cream from Fareway. It's pretty good ice cream. You want a half of this half a gallon or no? Look at the ripples in that thing. Good Lord. Enough?
Plenty.
She'll be in here raiding it tonight. Before she comes to bed, this will be half gone. My goodness, look at the chocolate in that.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right, so you're gonna take a bite and tell me how it tastes?
Yeah. I got a spoon, she's got a fork. So I don't know if it's about the pie or the ice cream. The video is about the pie.